A multidimensional array is an array containing one or more arrays. PHP understands multidimensional arrays that are 2, 3, 4, 5, or more levels deep. However, arrays more than 3 levels deep are hard to manage for most people. In this example, I create 2 different arrays. Index or numeric array named colors, and associate array named devices. As I said in the beginning, multidimensional array is an array that contains 2 or more arrays. So here I have a new array. Inside the new array I have colors and devices. To understand how this multidimensional array works, I create a table with the values for each array. Colors have 3 values and the key will be 0, 1, and 2. Each array starts with the value for default of 0, okay? And the second array, I assign a key value, A, B, and C. As we can see here, this new array has 2 sub-arrays, and for default, the value for colors will be 0, and the key for device will be 1. So here I have 0 and 1. Okay, so if we want to call, for example, here I have 1 and B. Let's see. Let's see the table. 1 and B. So the result in the screen have to be TV. Let's see. Save and check. Now I have TV here. Okay. If we want to display all the information inside an array, I create 2 for each. One with order list for colors and one unordered list for devices. So let's see in the screen now. Now I have here the array of colors in an ordered list and the array for devices in an unordered list.